Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK, and this video I will show how to factory reset this mini Wi-Fi LED RGBW controller, also called 5-pin controller. We will reset this device with two ways. The first will be using cell phone or smart device app through the Magic Home app, and second we're gonna reset straight from the Wi-Fi controller. Before you start factory reset, you have to power up your Wi-Fi controller. Then go to your cell phone or smart device app, Magic Home app. Then open. You can see your device and the list, whatever you want to reset. Like I want to reset light 1. Then you click on the left corner top. It's a setting icon. You click and then you see your controller. Click on controller, then you will follow the direction is called general. You click on general, then all the way down you say if load factory default. Click on it, it will take a couple seconds. Your light will be fluctuating, and as soon as go to reset, your LED will be change color from red to all colors. That's the first way you done. You factory reset your Wi-Fi controller. Now we will move to the second step. Second step is pretty simple. You need to power off and on your device 4 times. Every 10-15 seconds you're going to turn off and on, and 4th time your LED light will goes to color red. That's that indicate your Wi-Fi controller got factory reset. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.